When I was a schoolboy, I stopped at home with ease. Now I am a trawling man, I sail the wintry seas. I thought I'd like seafaring life, it was alright till I found it's a damn sight worse than slavery when we got on the ground. It was haul boys, haul, haul boys, haul, heave away, Capstan lads, and let's get under trawl. When the winds are blowing, the ships are gently rolling, my Emma, won't you be true to me? Every night in winter, as regular as a clock, it's somewhere your sou'wester, likewise your oilskin smock. And straightway to the capstan, lads, and then you'll heave away. And it's the same old cry in the middle of the night as well as in the day.
Hey!
Haul boys, haul, haul boys, haul, heave away the capstan, lads, and let's get under trawl. When the winds are blowing, the ships are gently rolling, my Emma, won't you be true to me? And when the fish are up on deck and piling to our needs, we slip and slide and wonder why we ever went to sea. And then ashore we'll sail to catch, and it's easier to bear, for it's beer all night in the sailors' arms as we get paid our share. It was haul boys, haul, haul boys, haul, heave away the capstan, lads, and let's get under trawl. When the winds are blowing, the ships are gently rolling, my Emma, won't you be true to me? And when the trip is over and up the tiller goes, it's straightway into Yarmouth with a big jib on the nose. And all along the pierheads, the girls will loudly say, here comes our jolly trawler lads that have been so long away. Haul boys, haul, haul boys, haul, heave away the capstan, lads, and let's get under trawl. When the winds are blowing, the ships are gently rolling, my Emma, won't you be true to me? My Emma, won't you be true to me?